Attention job seekers! Fresh opportunities are rolling in from Nawa, and you won't want to miss this one. Rosh, Pinah, Zinc is on the lookout for a maintenance supervisor specializing in loading and hauling equipment. Ready to apply? Head over to jobopportunities.net right now to view the full job listing and submit your application online. You'll find the direct link in the video description below. And here's the kicker, even more vacancies are coming soon. So whether you're actively job hunting or just testing the waters, now's the time to stay tuned. Your next big career move could be just one click away. Stay sharp. Stay ready. Take the leap with Nawa and jobopportunities.net. Meet your 24/7's career buddy, the jobopportunities.net chatbot. Need a hand with your CV, cover letter, or interview? The jobopportunities.net chatbot is here to help anytime, anywhere. What can it do for you? Boost your CV and cover letter. Get advice to make your application stand out. Ace your interviews. Learn strategies and handle common questions. Quick career help. Find fast answers to your job search queries. How to get started? Visit jobopportunities.net. Tap the chatbot icon at the bottom right corner. Start chatting. Your career buddy is ready to help. Fast, smart, always here. Get the support you need and take charge of your career today. Own your career journey with Nawa. At Nawa, we do more than post job openings. We empower you to shape a career you can truly be proud of. From building a standout CV to walking into interviews with confidence, we're with you every step of the way. Your success toolkit includes CV and cover letter guidance craft documents that get you shortlisted. Interview coaching, walk in prepared, walk out remembered. Real-time job alerts, be the first to discover new opportunities. Your next big opportunity might be closer than you think. Let's turn potential into progress. Head over to jobopportunities.net to explore what's new and take the next step. Like, share, and subscribe for job updates, career tips, and tools to help you stand out from the crowd. From the breezy shores of Swakopmund, we're here to lift you higher. Until then, stay ambitious, stay ready, and keep moving forward.